I'm sorry, world, but I don't have long to live. I have decided that I am no longer needed. The world has grown past the need for me, and I have decided to just go. Permanently. I know you all have expectations for me, but I've decided to just go. I'm sorry to disappoint you, fear. I know that you had expected that I stay in fear, but I'm not anymore. I am sorry to disappoint you, anxiety, but I've learned to live with the decisions in my life. And finally, I am sorry to disappoint you, my great friend, sadness, but I finally found happiness in my life. Goodbye, world.